Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Bren Avana, which is located in Kanakpura Main Road in Bangalore. And this project has been constructed by Bren Corporation. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders, because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now, before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office where I'm standing right now, and we are on the actual land parcel as well. So this is the land parcel where the construction work is going on behind the marketing office. Now let's start with the project overview. So this is the 3D model, and this project will be constructed on total 4.7 acres of land parcel with 3 premium towers with basement, ground plus 23 floors. And here in this project you'll be getting purely 3 BHK residencies. Now let's discuss the location part, and this project is located on Kanakpura Main Road in Bangalore. So now let me show you the Kanakpura Main Road. So this is the Kanakpura Main Road, and this road over this side will connect you towards Nice Ring Road, and on the opposite side will connect you towards Kanakpura. And now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Art of Living Ashram in 1.4 kilometers. Kaggalipura Lake is 2.6 kilometers away from the project, and even you can connect to D-Mart within 8 kilometers of the project. And now about the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities. Like of the first one is Club Avana with all the indoor amenities like gymnasium and many more. Another coming to the multi-purpose court, the garden area and the kids play area. Even there are few amenities on the podium level. And this part which you can check out is the commercial space and many more amenities in the project. Now about the super built up area. So as mentioned, this project provides you purely 3 BHK premium residencies, and your 3 BHK is starting from 1515 square feet to 1660 square feet super built up area. Now about the booking process. So our project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the model flight as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project, that is Bren Avana, which is located in Kanakpura Main Road in Bangalore. And this project is constructed by Bren Corporation.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.